I see bacon. I see lettuce and tomato. BLT. I wonder what that's gonna be.
All right, so you guys want to know how to make an easy snack? Bacon, tomato, lettuce wraps. That's what we're doing today. So this is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need some bacon. You're gonna need some, we're using grapeseed oil veggies.
It's like a veggie mayo, but a healthy alternative to mayo.
Yeah. Salt, pepper, tomatoes, lettuce, obviously, and some toothpicks or some bamboo forks, whatever you have laying around.
Preheat the oven to 350.
Yeah.
We already got that.
Yeah.
And then we used a rack from the microwave.
Yeah, use your microwave rack if you have one on top of
a baking sheet?
Pan.
Or a pan.
Yeah. And I'm just setting the bacon on here. Bacon.
You just hit the camera.
Yeah.
Put it in the oven for...
until it's cooked.
Nice and crispy.
Yes. So we're just gonna cut it. I'm just slicing it. Small slices. Here's what we're gonna do. Break the center on the lettuce so that you can neatly wrap it. And I put it face down and just crush it.
Oh, that's what you have to do to wrap it?
Yes.
Dude, I always struggle with it.
It's like breaking someone's back. So I'm not gonna put a lot of mayo on. Just a little bit for flavor. We don't need a lot.
Prep every lettuce.
Yeah.
With mayo. It's a healthier alternative too.
Yeah, to like a BLT sandwich or whatever. And the cool thing is that it's simple to make.
It's a real BLT without the bread. BLT has only 3 ingredients.
Bacon, lettuce, tomato. Yeah. Here comes the bacon.
Look at that bacon.
Perfectly done. Gorgeous. Look at that. Okay, so this is what I do. Put some tomato down. Just like that. Take a piece of bacon. Put the bacon down. And start wrapping it like so. Get it wrapped. Stab it. And look at that. There's your bacon wrap. So this is what I do. I put a little bit of salt on top because the bacon's already salty. And then I put fresh ground pepper on top like this, just so it looks a little better. You could put it on the inside, but I think it looks a lot better this way. And that's pretty much it. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe and give us a thumbs up.
Let us know what you would like us to cook next, and we'll cook it for you.
Lettuce, get it? Lettuce, like the wraps.
Haha, you're funny.
Why are you in my face?
I'm always in your face.
Seriously, I think that's copyrighted. Don't sing it.
You just hit the camera.
Yeah. That's how I sliced my thumb off.
Yeah, let's not do that.